How to enable or disable search box on Windows 10 taskbar. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can enable or disable search box on Windows 10 taskbar. So then to begin with, you'll need to right click on your mouse right at the bottom. After that, you'll be able to see Task Manager as well as Taskbar settings. Go to Taskbar settings. This is going to direct you to the settings page. Here you can see right on top you have search. So you need to click on the arrow icon located right in the corner. After that, you'll be able to see different options such as search icon only, search icon and label, search box, whatever. First of all, I'm gonna enable. So after that, I'm gonna be showing you how you can disable. As you can see, I've enabled the search bar tool. Do the same procedure, that is right click on your mouse, go to taskbar settings. After that, it's gonna show you the same page here. You need to tap on the arrow icon, and if you want to hide it or disable it, click on hide button. As you can see that the search bar tool has been disabled or the search bar icon has been disabled. So in this way you can disable or enable search bar on Windows 10 taskbar. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.